Here we've got our cheerleaders. Oh, and even Lee's a cheerleader today.
I mean, they're good size.
Where's Mr. Fourth Place at? There he is, Mr. Fourth Place.
Hey, it's up there. You want a handicap? You want a head start? You can have a head start.
He plays chess. Stick around after the race.
I can play chess.
Get the chessboard.
Hey, you have your passport?
It's on the boat.
You sure? Because Cuba's just on the other side there.
Alright. Gentlemen!
Start your engines. That's it? I thought maybe Bill was because you were here taking pictures. No.
3, 2, 1! You gotta get in.
Turning around.
Oh, he's giving you a break.
Right.
Trilogy wave. Sports Illustrated photographer, taking wonderful photos of the love of her life. Water aerobics?
Water aerobics. I don't want to sign a lot of autographs.
Mr. G!
I'll do 10 autographs.
What do you have to say, Gene?
I'm tired.
Bonsoir, bonsoir, bonjour, bonjour. On se mélange un petit peu tonight. I mean, it's like, wow. You know, it was such a party last night. I think that I went to bed, it was about 4 o'clock in the morning. Je crois que j'étais couché dès 4 heures ce matin. C'est la petite démonstration de cuisine. Et la démonstration, ce sera un petit filet de porc avec des haricots. Alors, c'est le monsieur, c'est le chef qui est en train de faire...
Are you kidding me? You guys just woke up?
No, we've been sitting around on the patio.
Howard, two-fisted drinker. There he goes. There's all our Trilogy people in the water. Mr. Headland in the back there. Look at that, all the Trilogy people there. Sharon, Lee, Roger. Wow, perfect weather. Last day here in Punta Cana. Thanks again to all the Trilogy members who came. Had our ups and downs. We had a few mosquito bites. One in the hospital. A lot of sunburns. And and a lot of humidity, but a great week overall. Great weather.
So je l'ai dans ma chambre. I'm going to take this in my room. And all the ladies who want to have a little bit of trouble, welcome. Oui, alors, yes, go ahead. We're pretty much done. Are we going to do now?
I don't think Fred's ever been this tan, folks.
No,
That's really true. Il a un petit jus ici. Il va la finir. A little bit.
Just going. I don't think I've ever seen the Trilogy members this tan before.
I know.